So today we're going to be fixing the thermostat on this car. How I know it's the thermostat is this car warms up fine while it's sitting still. As soon as you get on the highway, it cools right off. You stop somewhere at a red light or a McDonald's drive-thru or something like that and let it idle, the temperature comes back up. So I know that the thermostat is stuck open. What I've seen a lot of people do is they drain the radiators. Others drain the radiator, but we're not going to do that. And the reason is, then I lose all the rad fluid. If I just undo this and have a catch pan to catch it, now the stuff I'm catching, I'm probably not going to reuse. I'm probably going to buy new stuff and put it in. By doing that, I don't lose as much. So that's what I'm going to do. But if you want to do a full radiator flush, just drain out your radiator. There's a little drain plug down here at the bottom. Right there. It's on the driver's side. It's a white plug right there. I'm touching it. But yeah, so I'm only going to drain out what I need by pulling the thermostat. And then we're going to buy a new thermostat in town, which is cheap, and then some pre-mixed antifreeze and put into this. So all we're going to do is pull these two 10mm bolts and then pull this away. I'll probably disconnect this wire so I don't damage it, but I don't think I'm actually going to even have to take it that far. So we're going to get this pulled apart, and then I'll show you guys what she looks like. So we got the thermostat out. We didn't lose that much fluid, to be honest. See, that's why I didn't drain the whole radiator, because I only lost probably 500 milliliters. And it's a good thing I didn't buy premix, because this is a different kind of radiator fluid. So we'll buy the right stuff when we go to town, and I'll show you the thermostat here in a second. So this is what the thermostat looks like. Now mine is actually seized pretty solid. I don't know how the water was getting through, but it was. So we're going to go buy a new one and put it in. They're pretty cheap. Now, I phoned a buddy because he was actually called me because he wants to come over and hang out. And I told him this car has orange antifreeze, which is Dex Cool. I can always forget the name of it. And he told me take it out immediately. And he'll bring me some premix stuff. So we're going to get the Dex Cool out of it. I'm not a big fan of it anyways. I like just putting the premix stuff in. So we're just draining it out. We're going to start it up and drain a little bit more of it out as well. And put the new thermostat in. I still got 2 hours before it comes in at the parts store. Oh, sounds like the radiator's empty now. And then we'll put the thermostat back in and refill it up with antifreeze. So here's the old thermostat. We got a new seal and everything, but it doesn't really move at all. And here's the new thermostat. As you can see, it does move super freely. So we're just going to be installing it. We got a new O-ring for it, seal. Just put it on there, super fancy. Almost on there. There we go. Just like that. And then you just slide it in. Just going to put it in the little indent, and then we're just going to slide this in. Just like that, and now we can reinstall the bolts. We're going to reinstall these bolts, and then we'll get right back. So, we did the thermostat. There's no leaks coming out of that thermostat. We've checked. We've bled the system, got all new coolant in it. We emptied the reservoir, put new coolant into that. Put the old coolant into the new coolant jug, and we'll probably dispose of that. And honestly, doing a thermostat cost us $25. That is thermostat, seal, and new radiator fluid. So if you guys have a thermostat that's sticking in your Toyotas, don't be afraid to do it. It's super easy to do, and takes very little time and very little skill to do. Just a 10mm, and that's about it, to be honest. So thanks for watching, and don't be afraid to work on your own cars, everybody. Take care and have a great day.